everybody, welcome to Chloe Craft. Today I'm going to show you some Easter hat parade hats. If yours has been cancelled, well, I got some ideas. If you find my Instagram page, please let me know and put a picture of yours so I can see yours, and then we can do our own Easter hat parade. Okay, so the first thing that you needed is you'll have to get some coloured cardboard, measure it around your head like this, and then you could staple or sticky tape it, and then you can decorate it with some fun things and also all sorts of things like stickers and other stuff like that. Okay, the next step is you get some tin foil, and then the perfect jar is probably Nutella, because on the bottom it's like an egg shape, and then what you can do is it turns like to this shape, and then you can draw whatever pattern you want. I'm just gonna draw a little heart. I'm not good at drawing hearts. You can do more than that, but since we're doing a video, I did it quick. And then after you're done, you can stick it onto your cardboard or make it a bigger shape. So what I did for mine was I glued my eggs on, and then I cut out these little spots up the top. My mum went, and then all these extra bits fell out. And that's that little gloss is like a tiny bit of eggs. And one tip when you do that one, if one falls off, well, it's a good tip. If you put one over another, it will keep one in place. Let's see how. There's all sorts of patterns. I do like a couple of colours, how all my shades are. Okay, now I'm going to show you a bunny face that we're going to do. So, you need to stick some googly eyes on. I just did two, not too many. I got those on. And now I'm going to draw a cute little face. So what we have to do, and then we can color the whole. Do you think something's missing? Do you know what's missing? I'll give you a hint. Did you guess it? It's a mouth. And now I almost forgot about the whiskers. I think I have three. That's cute. And then what you'll do is you'll get some glue, and you'll stick your little cute bunny ears on here, and then if you like, you can put little cotton balls on in the ears like so. Okay, are you ready for the final result? Here it is. Doesn't it look so cute? It looks like kind of a real Easter bunny. Hopefully you guys like it. Okay, here are all the ones that we made. Do you like this one, this one, this one, or this one? These are some other ideas if you like to make these ones. Tag me on Instagram so we can have our own Easter hat parade.